Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you all again, and I'm glad that you're here with me today because we're going to do something really cool. It's an experiment with water and two boats. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put both my boats in the water, and on one side I have a bunch of quarters, and on the other side I have a bunch of pennies. And what I want you to do is guess how many quarters it will take to make this boat sink and how many pennies it will take to make this boat sink, okay? So let's test out our first boat. First, I want you to think in your head a number of how many quarters of me putting them in it will take to make the boat sink, right? I'm gonna put them in one at a time. Perfect, all right, so let's see if you're right. So here we go, ready? 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 5 quarters, and 6 quarters. So it took 6 quarters to make the boat sink. Now, what was your guess again? Great job. All right, so now let's see how many pennies it takes to make the other boat sink. So if it took 6 quarters to make the first one sink, do you think it will take more pennies or less pennies? I don't know. We'll find out. All right, let's see. Here we go. 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, 5 pennies, 6 pennies, 7 pennies, 8 pennies, 9 pennies. All right, so it took 6 quarters and 9 pennies to make each boat sink to the bottom. Why do you think it took more pennies than quarters? Right. The penny is smaller than the quarter and it weighs less than the quarter. So, if it weighs less, it's going to take more of them to sink it to the bottom. So, great job, everybody. You did awesome with this activity today. I'm so glad that you were able to come and help me out, and I can't wait until our next fun activity together. I miss you so much, and I can't wait till we finally get to be back with each other, all right? But until then, make sure that you stay safe and that you have fun, and I will see you next time. Bye.